Hello and welcome to the Academy of Computer Science and Engineering, and the course that we're going to talk about tonight is Intro to Python. My name is John Tush. I'm the theme coach here at CompSci High. In that role, I'm really an instructional coach. I'm responsible for helping to implement the new theme across the board. I'm covering very temporarily for CompSci B, which is why I'm bringing you this video today. We're going to transition to sub-in soon, and we are going to have a permanent teacher as soon as we can find that person. A little bit about me. I'm a very experienced teacher. It's my third decade in teaching. I'm also a dad. My daughter and I are very into baseball and softball and into theater. And let's go Mets. Now, our new theme, to give you an idea of what it is, it's based on four pillars, four main ideas. The first is computer science with a focus on programming and coding. That's what this course is here. The second is engineering and design thinking. This is how we develop new products, solve problems. The third is entrepreneurship, because everything we're teaching our kids has value in the world and has value in the marketplace, and we want them to understand that. And then finally, social and community impact, because everything a student does in the world of technology can have profound impact in society. And that's really not just the core mission at CompSci High, that's a core mission with CREC in general, and really kind of what makes CREC CREC. I do have a syllabus. It's on the website. Feel free to read it, but I'm going to hit you with the highlights right here. The first question I always get is, how much experience do students need? And the answer is absolutely none. We don't care if you've never coded before. If you have coded, there'll be opportunities for growth, lots of them. But right now, if you're on that, oh my God, I don't know where I'm going place, we got your back. The question we're dealing with is, how can we make computers a powerful tool to impact the world around us? So we're using the computers as tools for creation to impact the world. This course is taught on Canvas through Project STEM, which means that each lesson is taught in class, and there's videos behind it that also teach the lesson. So whether they miss or they need to make up or they just need to hear it again, it's there for them. There are also a full set of slides for them. And there's a lot of watch the video, do the project, watch the video, do the code. That teaches them how to do the coding. The students will write the code right in the courseware. It's called an IDE, and they are an integrated development environment. It's set up for Python, so they write their code here, they run their code here. And the other cool thing about it is most exercises can be pre-checked before submission. The quizzes can't, but most of the coding exercises, you can do this thing called grading, and it will actually highlight mistakes or code errors that it's found. And if it finds the code errors for you, it tells you where they are. You can go back and correct them. This is not dissimilar from the way they work in industry, where they often have peers running tests of their software to make sure that they don't publish errors. The class meets 3 times a week for 70 minutes a day, approximately. I have classes period 3, 4, 6, and 7. So you can find your child's class and see when that meets. The grading, 20% are lessons in practice. Most of what we do is lessons in practice. And then we lead up to periodic assignments and quizzes that are bigger, projects, in other words. Tests may also fall in as projects. The major projects and activities will do some kind of a data analysis project. They'll learn how to create apps. They'll create some songs using a program called EarSketch that accepts Python programming. They're going to create animations in Python. They're going to do some exploring of careers, not just in Python, but in technology in general. This is your 11-unit guideline. We're still in Unit 1. We're getting going now. We're finishing that up soon. By the end of this course, they'll have a basic understanding of computer programming using Python. They're going to create some very simple apps, and they will have an understanding of how computers work throughout their world. That sets them up for computer science principles next year. Our goal is to take them from being consumers to becoming creators. That's one of the things that we want to look at. If you have any further questions, you need any information, you just want to talk, my number is 860-253-0274, excuse me, 860-253-0274, extension 7851, or jtush@crec.org. Happy to hear from you if you have any questions. And thank you so much for watching today. Bye-bye.